Hi guys, it's Tiffany here at Pinoca Jubilee Library, and I am here to give you a quick tutorial on the polymer clay mushrooms. These guys are going along with the moss terrariums. You'll find a little baggie in your kit. We really hope you enjoy these moss terrariums. Sarah and Kelsey have been hard at work preparing these for you. They have been an absolute labor of love. They collected the moss back in the fall and have been diligently caring for them all winter long so that you guys can have these kits. So, just so you know, the love is there. So we hope that they bring lots of smiles and that they warm your homes for years to come. So, we thought it would be cute to do up some little clay mushrooms for you guys to bedazzle your terrariums with. So you have an array of clay in your bags. Some are natural earthy colors, whites and browns and grays, and others are more flamboyant and will be more fantasy mushroom-esque. And so whatever you choose to do will be great. We would love to see pictures. You will have 2 of these green wire hooks, and you will have an assortment of clay. I only used 2 to make all 3 of these mushrooms. Just trim it, do it long enough that it will go up the shaft of your mushroom, but not long enough that it's going to poke through the head, with just about ½ an inch of wire out through the bottom to sit nicely into your moss. With the clay, some of the clay will start out hard and you will have to get it room body temperature and just play with it, work it. This stuff does not air dry. You have to bake it at 270 degrees in your oven once you have the mushroom designed the way you want. You're going to insert your hook, your metal piece into it. If you have a really thin mushroom shaft, I suggest taking the green off. If you have a thicker base, you are more than welcome to keep the green on. It is nice and easy. So you're gonna just boop a piece off, roll it out. You can use a piece of wax paper if it's getting too sticky, or you can use a piece of tile. It's a really great surface to work your polymer clay. And then, whoop. Real easy. This guy can also be a tool for you to go and make some lines to give it some texture and personality and bring it to life. And then with this guy, he has a little frill on his stem. How I did that is I did blend my white with a little bit of a dark color so it had an accent. And then I just took a piece of clay, made a little snake shape, flattened it, and wrapped it around here. Just like so. And I used my hook to pull the bottom out. This is backwards. I can see what I'm doing. Just like that. And then I use the top bit to blend. You can roll it or you can pull it just like that. And that gives you your mushroom frill. So just to double check with you guys, this one will probably be one so it goes up through there. And then your mushroom cap will sit on top, and use some wire cutters to clip it. This guy bakes in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes at 275 degrees. Do not turn the temperature of your oven up. It will burn. You can bake these things for hours and hours and hours if you need to. You don't need to. But if you're doing one that's a little bit thicker, it might need more than 10 to 15 minutes. So just up the increment of time by 5 to 10 minutes and keep it at 257 degrees. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed. Love these guys. There's been a lot of effort put in. And take pictures, post them, show us what you've created, because that's really makes us happy to be able to see. All right, take care, stay healthy.